Project Legal as an initiative operates under 5 principles. First one being making sure that the legal information we are providing is free. Second one being that the legal information is easily accessible. Third one being that we change public perception when it comes to law. Fourth one being that we provide guidelines that help people meet legal requirements. And the fifth one being that we are addressing the challenge to accessing legal information, which is that we enable people to access legal information remotely through social media and the use of internet. The impact that Project Legal is having, I would say we'd first have to look at the number of people that we are reaching. See? So one of our best posts at the moment has close to 3,000 views. This is on Twitter, and under the post itself, you would see people commenting to say, oh, the post itself is with regards to interstate law. What happens to an individual's property if they were to die without leaving a will? Under that post, we get to explain who's entitled to what percentage. And under the post, people are actually learning to say, oh, the wife is entitled to this, the children are entitled to this. Future prospects, we also want to, in as much as we are online, our future prospect is to make sure that we can actually have more in-person interactions. So make sure that we can have a space where we'll talk to the community. Challenges that we're facing at Project Legal when it comes to implementing the initiative is that at the moment we do not have a lot of partners on board to scale up the innovation itself in order to allow us to reach more people. Not only that, at the moment, the second challenge is misinformation when it comes to legal information. So there's legal information that's factually correct, and there's also legal information out there that might have been true 2 years ago, but because maybe the law has been amended, that no longer is the case. And then we have people out there thinking that that is still the case. So there's that challenge in that you find people acting based off old information with a limited reach right now, because we can't really scale Project Legal at the moment. That also limits the number of people that we are currently being able to reach. And not only that, the power outage situation itself is not only affecting Project Legal, but also the prospects of Project Legal, the people that are supposed to receive the information. Even they are affected because, one, they cannot change their devices to actually access the internet, because there are areas where power goes for 2 to 3 days. At the moment, everything that's being done is self-financed. Zambians should vote for Project Legal, because at Project Legal, we are addressing one huge problem, which is that lack of access to legal information. And not only that, the cost to access legal information in this country. The cost of a lawyer is very high. And looking at the economical status of the ordinary Zambian, it's very hard for them to not only access legal information, but to actually afford a lawyer who is able to explain to them what the law is and how it protects them. At Project Legal, what we intend to do and what we're currently doing is that we're providing legal information for free, making it accessible, and making sure that the people that interact with the information we're providing get an understanding to say the law can actually protect them. And not only that, they can access this information without having to pay anybody, without having to travel from remote areas of the country to come to Lusaka just to access legal information.